Vishwarupa statue, a masterpiece of gemstone art and Indian heritage. This is no ordinary sculpture. It is a testament to India's rich artistic legacy and the unyielding dedication of one extraordinary craftsman. The Vishwarupa statue, carved from the rare and spiritual onyx gemstone, is a 7.5-year labor of love, skill, and sacrifice. It is a work of art that has earned not only the national award but also the admiration of artisans and art connoisseurs across India. Behind this marvel stands Sri Ramakanta Mahapatra, a master sculptor from a lineage steeped in history. For over 800 years, his family has been associated with the magnificent stone carvings of the Puri Jagannath temple in Odisha. His brother Raghunath Mahapatra, a Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan awardee and Member of Parliament, brought immense recognition to this family of artisans. Inspired by this legacy, Ramakanta embarked on a mission to create something unprecedented. In the 1990s, Ramakanta dreamed of creating a sculpture that would stand apart, a 1.5 to 2 feet masterpiece with over 100 intricate figures inspired by the great Indian epics Ramayana and Mahabharata. His quest for the perfect medium led him to onyx, a rare gemstone revered for its spiritual properties. This is found in countries like Iran, Mexico, and India. Onyx is believed to repel negative energy and symbolizes power and peace. It was the ideal choice for a sculpture depicting Vishwarupa, an awe-inspiring form of Lord Vishnu. After 3 years of searching, Ramakanta finally acquired the perfect onyx stone. With meticulous preparation, he crafted specialized tools including microscopic chisels to work on the hard gemstone. The preparation itself took over a year, involving multiple sketches and models before settling on the concept of Vishnu Sahasranama, the 1,000 names of Lord Vishnu. In 1997, the real journey began. Day after day, with a microscope as his companion, Ramakanta painstakingly worked on the intricate details of the statue. Onyx's hardness meant he could only work for 4 to 5 hours a day to avoid severe strain. The process took a toll on his health. Partial loss of eyesight and sleepless nights became part of his routine. Despite his family's concerns and the financial challenges of foregoing large commissions during this time, Ramakanta remained steadfast in his goal. Finally, in 2005, after 7.5 years of relentless effort, the Vishwarupa statue was completed. The finished work is a breathtaking representation of Indian artistry, showcasing over 100 figures in exquisite detail. It stands as a symbol of devotion, perseverance, and the unbroken legacy of Indian sculpture. In 2006, this masterpiece was honored with a national award by the President of India, Pratibha Patel. The recognition catapulted the Vishwarupa statue into the spotlight, earning accolades from artisans and art enthusiasts nationwide. It is more than just a sculpture. It is a living testament to the unparalleled talent and resilience of Indian artisans. Today, the Vishwarupa statue is not just a collector's item. It is a piece of history, a symbol of India's artistic DNA, and an investment in a legacy that will continue to inspire generations. Owning this masterpiece is not merely acquiring art, it is preserving a story of dedication, spirituality, and heritage.